Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the very Dutch word gezellig. Gezellig. The emphasis is on the second syllable. Gezellig. Ge-ZEL-lig. As added bonus, we have two of those harsh ch sounds for you. Keep practicing the ch. Dutch people would really appreciate you mastering this word gezellig. It means any activity with friends or family that is very enjoyable, with a pleasant atmosphere. A birthday celebration, a dinner, a get-together, drinks at sunset, you name it. As long as everybody is enjoying it. Gezellig. Het is erg gezellig. Gezellig. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!